Automate social media posts with iApp. The pros, the cons. Automate social media posts with iApp is revolutionizing how brands and creators manage their online presence. Most people let this run by manually posting content across multiple platforms, but here's the surprising truth: I can schedule, optimize, and even generate posts automatically, saving hours every week. A major pro of this app is intelligent scheduling. The AI determines the best times to post based on engagement data, maximizing reach and interaction. For example, a content creator can plan a week's worth of posts in minutes while ensuring each post hits peak audience activity. Another advantage is content suggestion and generation. The app can draft captions, hashtags, and even recommend images or short videos tailored to your audience. You won't believe how much easier it is to maintain a consistent posting schedule without creative burnout. The app also provides analytics and performance insights. You can track likes, shares, comments, and follower growth in real time, letting you refine strategies quickly and effectively. On the downside, some users may feel AI-generated content lacks a personal touch. It's important to review and tweak posts for authenticity and brand voice. Additionally, heavy reliance on automation may overlook spontaneous opportunities or trending topics. In conclusion, automate social media posts with iApp is perfect for anyone looking to streamline social media management, boost engagement, and save time. With smart scheduling, AI-generated content, and analytics, it empowers creators and brands to maintain a strong online presence effortlessly. When combined with a human touch, automation can elevate your social media game to the next level.